Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be taking a look at Ethereum. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy Ether, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. The purpose of Ethereum is to deliver a platform that allows individuals and businesses to do decentralized global transactions, play games, and use applications without compromising personal data or being censored. Ethereum is not only a blockchain-based payment system that allows its users to make transactions anonymously, but it is also a marketplace of financial services, games and applications, including smart contracts. For a small fee, Ethereum coins can be sent to anyone, anywhere in the world, without the need for banks, financial institutions, or intermediaries. Ethereum has evolved into one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, and many other coins are designed to be ERC20 tokens, which is a standard used for creating and issuing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain that can be used to create tokenized assets for people to invest in. So who created Ethereum? Ethereum was created by a team of 8 co-founders, with Vitalik Buterin as the leading founder. Vitalik was recently selected as one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people of 2021, and he wrote the white paper for Ethereum in 2013, at the age of 19, and launched Ethereum 2 years later. His inspiration came from the realization that centralized services ruined his favorite game, when World of Warcraft made unexpected changes to the game and there was nothing he could do about it. Ethereum offers a more secure and private network that does not require personal details to run applications or make transactions. No government or company has control over Ethereum, which makes it nearly impossible for third parties to interfere with payments and services. Companies can work together by developing interoperable applications and using Ethereum applications for universal compatibility, which guarantees better products and services and improves the overall usability of Ethereum. Ethereum offers a wide range of multifunctional products, such as secure cryptocurrency wallets, to send and receive coins, and pay for products and services, smart contracts that automatically execute actions when the contract's conditions have been met, dApps that allow users to play games, make investments, do transactions, and engage on social media, and lastly, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, that enable artists and content creators to sell art directly to buyers using smart contracts. Ether is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and it is used mainly for 2 purposes. On the one hand, it is an attractive addition to any investor's portfolio and can be traded as a digital currency on many exchanges. On the other hand, it is used on the Ethereum network to run applications, and people from all over the world can use Ether to make payments, as a store of value or as collateral for loans. There is an unlimited supply of Ether, but a maximum supply of 18 million coins is provided annually. Ether can be bought from centralized exchanges that let you buy crypto using traditional currencies. However, you will not have custody over any coins that you buy until you send it to a wallet that you control. Another option is buying Ether from a decentralized exchange that will give you more control and allow you to buy peer-to-peer so that you can trade without giving control of your funds to a centralized company. Alternatively, crypto wallets let you buy crypto with a debit or credit card, bank transfers, or some applications. The wallet stores information about your public and private keys, which amount to your ownership stake of the crypto. Using these keys allows you to securely send or receive cryptocurrency while keeping your private key encrypted. Some of the top 3 wallets that you can use include the MetaMask wallet, which is available as a browser extension and as a mobile application. It equips you with all the tools needed to manage your digital assets, including a key vault, secure logins, a token wallet, and a token exchange. HyperPay is an all-in-one wallet that combines on-chain and off-chain functionalities so that you can easily manage all your assets from one wallet, and offers an instant exchange and the built-in CoinW exchange for your convenience. Alpha Wallet is a customizable white label wallet for businesses that use secure enclave technology to give you hardware-grade cold wallet level security by using biometrics and PIN code authentication to protect your funds and assets. So what do we like about Ethereum? Using Ethereum makes it possible to avoid centralized control over the movement of money or other assets, which can empower businesses and individuals and give them a new level of economic freedom. The reason for Ethereum's popularity is its open source technology that allows developers to build entirely new cryptocurrencies and applications on top of it, and it has become a universal standard for many tokens. Ethereum is not only a great investment option, but it is also suitable for enterprises. By using smart contracts and dApps, Ethereum can be utilized in ways that will prevent fraud and completely transform and upgrade any business model. Ethereum is not only a blockchain, but it is an ecosystem of innovative applications and an entirely new generation of technology that is working towards changing the world, one block at a time. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Ethereum. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.